Hello friends, in this video I'll provide you the solution of programming assignments of NPTEL course Programming in Java. This is by Professor Devashish Samanta, IIT Kharagpur, and this is a 12-week course. The programming assignment is available here. Here are 5 programming assignment is given. We have to write the code. So, and last date of submission is 10th of August. So, that this is the week 2 programming assignment 1. Complete the code segment to call the method print of class student first, and then call print method of class school. The code is given here. This code is already given here. First school class is given, then the student class is given. We have to call the method print of class student first, and then call the print method of class school. So we have to write the code here. So first we have to create an object of class student like this. Then we have to call the print method of class student. Then create an object of class school object. Then call the print method of class school. So this is the code, 4 lines of code to first call the student class print method, and then call the school class print method. So after completing this code, compile and run to check for the public test cases. The public test case is successfully passed. Now click on the submit button to check for the private test cases. Now the private test cases also passed. So this is the week 2 programming assignment 1. Next question is programming assignment 2 of week 2. Here we have to complete the code segment to call the method print of class given class printer to print the following, like this. Hi, I am a class student. Hi, so this code is already given. We have to write the code here. So first create the printer class is given here. Print method and print method overloading. So first create an object of class printer. First create the object of class printer, and then first call the print method, so that first it prints hi, I am class student, and then call print method and passed hi, I class school. So then compile and run this code for the public test case. The public test case is passed successfully, and then now click on the submit button to check for the private test cases. Private test cases also passed. So this is the code for the programming assignment 2. Next is programming assignment 3. In programming assignment 3, we have to complete the code segment to call print method of class question by creating a method named student method. We have to create a student method, named student method, and then in this method we have to call the print method. So this code is already given here in question 23 class is given here. In this class, the object of question 23 class is created and called student method, and a print method is given here. So we have to write a student method here like this, void student method, and in this method we have to call the print method, print, and this pass the parameter this point. So this is the code for the assignment 3. programming assignment 3, we have to write only this method, student method, and then in this method call the print method. Now click on the compile and run to check for the public test case. Now the public test case is passed successfully. Now click on the submit button for the private test cases. So private test case is also passed. Now for the programming assignment 4, next is programming assignment 4. We have to complete the code segment to call the default constructor first and then any other constructor in the class. This code is given here, that question 214 class is given here, and in main function parameterized constructor, argument constructor is called. So we have to call this default constructor in the class answer. We have to write the code here. This is the default constructor, that answer system.out.println. This is the default constructor of answer class. And in parameterized constructor, because we can't update this code main class, question 214 class, so we have to call the default constructor in the parameterized constructor. So write this line before this, that system.out you got plus marks. So before this we have to create a object, so that without any argument, so that this will call the default constructor. So after this, click on the compile and run for the public test cases. The public test case is passed successfully. Now click on the submit button for the private test case. Now the private test case is also passed. So next is programming assignment 5. In this, complete the code segment to debug or complete the program which is intended to print NPTEL Java. We have to complete this code. So the code is given here, that question class 214 is already defined. We have to declare the variable NPTEL space in Java name, that variable name NPTEL space in Java, and initialize with capital NPTEL, that initialize NPTEL variable with capital NPTEL string, space with a space, and variable Java with a capital Java. Next, this statement is already given here, that system.out.println, then NPTEL plus space plus Java. We have to write only these 3 lines here. So click on the compile and run for public test case. Now the public test case. Now click on the submit button for the private test case. The private test case is passed successfully. So these are the 5 programming assignments of programming in Java. So complete this assignment and submit the programming assignment before 10th of August. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video so that I can provide you the next solutions. Thank you.